Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and today I want to do a vlog. It's Christmas Eve in Ghana, and I'm going to the Accra Mall to do some Christmas shopping in Ghana. So I'm here, and you know, family, the dream and the goal is to travel every city in Africa. So every city in the state of Africa, I'll be traveling. So I'm actually in Ghana. I'm heading to Accra Mall. It's the Christmas Eve, and it's the same vibes as in Jamaica, as you can see. So I'll be heading there, and I want to take you all with me. You guys been telling me to do more videos, so like and share this video, subscribe, because I'll be going to every city in Africa to show you. Jam Tours Africa will take you there. Baby Amesh, baby Amesh, baby Amesh. So guys, let me put on my shoes, pull up my socks, and let's go with us to the Accra Mall. Yeah, family, so as you can see, we're in Accra City, and that's the market there. Heading up over to Accra Mall. You can see, heading up to Accra Mall, ShopRite. So, Bumby and Chubby. Yeah, family, so as you can see, we're actually in Accra Mall at the moment. Let's go from this side, sweetie. Yeah, family, so as you can see, Amesh is sleeping at the moment. Yeah, family. So we're actually in Accra Mall at the moment, and the supermarket is actually closed down at the moment. So that starts. So we're actually heading to ShopRite, do some shopping. As you can see, it's Christmas Eve here, and it's live here. Amesh is right here sleeping. Sweetie, let's go. That's right. Hey family, so this is fruit cake, Christmas fruit cake. And in Jamaica, you know, cake is a must. So it's Christmas, so we're gonna try this one. And this one is nice with fig. Fig is in this one, so this one is so nice. Figs.
Oh wow.
We're gonna try this one, fig.
Yeah.
This one.
Alright.
You can have this one.
Damn, it's nice. Which one is that?
Traditional festival fruit cake. But in
Seriously?
Kenya, they don't have this in Kenya. And they don't celebrate it like
You have to
in
say it.
Jamaica it's like cake is a must. Should we take these two and leave this big one?
No, carry the big one and that one.
So have a little ice cream. Let's carry this one.
Or you carry the three if you want. Maybe we can eat that one in the car.
This is one. Carry this and this. Cut. Yeah, family, so we also want to pick a few sweet potato. Because when you say sweet potato, make the milk flow.
It flows, I've said it is.
We're gonna get some sweet potato. Why don't you pick from that one?
That is nice. The yellow one.
Okay. Also gonna get a few mangoes.
There's one here.
One is nice.
This is right.
Okay.
How many pieces do you want?
Well, whatever it is, how much? 6 piece?
So I put these two.
Yeah, that one? Yeah, that one is fine. I can eat that one today. Yeah, family. So we find some nice coconut in Ghana. I don't think Kenya can beat out these coconuts. We have some nice coconuts. Let's pick the best one. Darker one is the better one. Maybe like 6. Shaking it. Yeah, that one is good. That small one is good there. That one looks shaped like egg. Nah.
Shaped like egg. This one.
That one, yeah. The drier it is, the better it is. They have some up here.